All right, so there's two ways to get this off. If you're reusing this, then we have to get it off carefully with a slide hammer. If you're replacing this, then there's no worry about getting this off with a slide hammer. You can just pull this out. You can just knock this out with a hammer from the sides if you're replacing this. But if you're not, I just want to show you the steps to take. So I'm replacing this. You should also replace this. Just in case you decide you want to reuse your wheel bearing, I want to show you how to get it off without damaging it too much. Now this way can still damage it because you can still pull this apart, but if that ends up happening, that means the wheel bearing was either bad anyways or getting ready to go bad, or it was so stuck in here that it was probably time for it to be changed anyway. So if it comes apart, then it comes apart, but if not, I mean, this is the best way to get this thing off either way you put it. So you can rent a slide hammer from the auto store, and you can also rent a puller from the auto store as well. So I'm going to use this and get this out. I'm going to spray a little penetrating oil or fluid down in here. Let that sit for about a good 20 minutes or so. All right, so we got it out.